Damien 1995 the Leopard Slikk hater. How dare you throw water balloon gloves at Abdu Boufli? You know, you can get arrested for that. That's it, I'm pushing you in the washing machine at your punishment.
No. Please don't push me at the washing machine. I'm so sorry.
Nope, apology denied. I will push you in the washing machine, right now.
Wah.
Shut your freaking mouth. This is what you get for throw water balloon gloves at Abdu Boufli.
Wah. Please let me out.
Nope, never. I will not let you out. Because you made a video throw water balloon gloves at Abdu Boufli, now I will let you up. Now, go to your freaking goddamn right now, before I will tell Abdu Boufli give you a punishment day about this. Now get out of here right now, before I will calling the police.
Okay, fine, I will, just.
There you freaking go, you just freaking stupid goddamn user. You are just acting like freaking user. You don't not allowed to throw water gloves at my friend Abdu Boufli. Did you want to get goddamn arrested, yes? Or freaking no? No.
I'm so freaking sorry.
Nope.
Sorry is not going work at all.
Now, go to your goddamn room, right now, before I will beat you up.
Wah. Worst day ever.
Damien 1995 the Leopard Slikk hater. Shut up and go to bed right now.